pair of linear equations in two variables. Dear students, in the last part we have seen the substitution method, one of the algebraic method to solve the given pair of linear equations in two variables, and we have seen that the method is literally very easier as compared to the other methods. So to remove that doubt, let's have the another method, and the name is elimination method. Now you are very much known with the term elimination. Now almost every second this reality show is having a kind of elimination round. In the elimination round, what they do, they just eliminate one of the participant. Okay, this creates some kind of interest as well as some suspense. Okay, and this increases the TRP of that particular show, and that's why this funda is brought in that all the reality shows. But here in this our algebraic methods for solving a pair of linear equations in two variables, the elimination method is dealing with the elimination of one of the variables. Now we know that pair of linear equations in two variables is made up of two variables. So what we do, we eliminate one of the variable, okay, by making its coefficient, because we have two equations. Two equations means two coefficients. What we'll do to eliminate, we will make one of the coefficients similar to the other, and that way we will eliminate one of the variable, and then we will be left with only one variable, and we can get the solution. Yes, so let's, without waiting much, let's have the question. So here is the question. The question says, solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method, and the two equations are 3x plus 4y equals to 10 and 2x minus 2y equals to 2. Now the first step is similar. What we do, we put first equation as equation 1 and second equation as equation 2. But thereafter, what we did in the substitution method, we have kept one of the equation freezed, and we have dealt with one of the other equation, and we try to bring the value of one of the variable. Okay, here what we do, we will try to eliminate one of the variable. Okay, now if we compare the two equations, what we get to see, this is 3x, this is 4y, this is 2x, this is 2y. Now if we multiply any of the two equations to bring it to the same coefficient of the another equation, then we can eliminate that by simply adding. For example, if 3 and 2x are there, okay, 3x and 2x are there, if we take LCM, it is 6, but if we take 4 and 2, so LCM is 4, which is easier. So what if we are doing that, we are multiplying equation 2 by 2, equation 2 by number 2, so what will get, 4x minus 4y equals to 4, and in that case this 4y plus 4y and minus 4y will get cancelled, and this is called elimination. We are eliminating one of the variable. Even it is not possible that all the time we will get such situation, favorable situation. So in some cases we can have the problem that both the coefficients are very different. So in that case we have to be open to eliminate any of the two variable. Okay, so what we are doing here, multiplying equation 2, multiplying equation 2 by 2. Okay, what will get, 4x minus 4y equals to 4. 4x minus 4y equals to 4. Now what we'll do now, from this we'll subtract the another equation, 3x plus 4y equals to 10. When we are subtracting, so what we get here, minus, okay, we are adding. Okay, why we are adding? Because in that case we don't need to change the sign. Here it is minus 4y, it is plus 4y, then both will cancel each other normally, there is no need of subtraction. So what we did, we just simply added. Suppose this is equation 3, so we simply added equation 1 and 3. So just check what we'll get here. Minus 4y plus 4y will get cancelled. 4x plus 3x we will get 7x, and 10 plus 4 we will get 14. Now very easily you can check that 7x equals to 14 means x equals to 14 upon 7, and 14 upon 7 is nothing but 2. So what we get, x equals to 2. X is equals to 2. Now we can put this value of x in any of the equation, either 1 or 2. If I take second equation or if I take first equation, okay, if I take first equation, I'll get 3x plus 4y equals to 10, means 3x, 3 into 2 plus 4y equals to 10. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 4y equals to 10. Now this 6 can be sent on the other side, yes, so we'll get 4y equals to 10 minus 6 implies 4y equals to 4 implies y equals to 1. Is it very clear? So we got the values x as 2 and y as 1. Okay, so this is the solution by which method? By elimination method. So now you can see and you are free to compare which method is easier. See, for me my most favorite method is substitution method. Okay, I don't like eliminating. Okay, positively I don't like eliminating anyone. Yes, so I prefer substitution method. But if the question will come that you have to solve by elimination method, then there is no choice, you will have to solve by elimination method only. Okay, cross multiplication method has been deleted from the course, so that's why we are not going to consider that, or we are not going to take that method here. But you have two choices of either elimination method or substitution method, and you are free to, but it depends on the type of question. Now the question which we are doing here, this comes for 2 to 3 marks. Sometimes they ask that solve the particular question by both substitution and elimination method, or they may ask you to solve by any of them, means either by substitution or by elimination. So if it comes that solve by elimination method only, so it may come for 2 to 3 marks depending on the severity, the questions hard, means the difficulty level. Okay, otherwise this is generally coming for 2 marks only. So hope the method elimination is clear to you. Hope you will be able to solve the question based on this, and hope the understanding is proper. Okay, so with this belief we'll stop here. Take care.